the famous winding roads of Parang, no? It's hindi maintained. Yung motorists normally ina-avoid to kung gabi.
Nakatakot ang pagpahulog. Dapat ang hangin masyado.
Dapat this should be kung hindi nila i-develop to, they create a separate road na lang, expressway from Cotabato to Cotabato to Pagadian siguro.
Ay,
Ha?
grabe yung ano.
Kasi ganito hindi na kwanto eh.
Pero
Pwede to for the local pa na lang. Dito medyo repair dito ah. Ito na, this is the famous na Parang road, Parang highway. Dami na ko dito.
this one is debris.
Grabe itong storage ng content. Itong na to, Oppo ba? No? Marami na siyang okay, here. Okay. I think yun yung police na ko regional headquarters na. Kung dito ka na, wala ka na piece of kasi yan regional headquarters sa right side. PNP. Yan yung marker mo if you maabot mo na yan.